The 3D smile design powered by artificial intelligence is the new chapter of SmileFy technology. We open new opportunities to create a 3D design, export it as a mockup in few minutes. In our real-time example, we create a design and mockup in less than 5 minutes, ready to 3D print. First, we select the picture and the intraoral scan of the patient and calibrate these files using 3-point calibration. Now SmileFy analyzes the intraoral scan of the patient, the actual alignment of teeth, and automatically calculates an occlusal curve and the 3D smile frame. SmileFy generates the alignment of the teeth and creates instantly an ideal 3D design. You can of course select different teeth templates. At this stage, you have the option to make small corrections manually, adjusting the final details of the smile. Smiles are always subjective, our expert decisions will be optional, always part of the process. Using the mesh editor, you can make the final adjustments, adjust gingival margins, clean the palatal area, and create the mockup. Use the brushes to adjust and finalize the design. This also can be AI automated. Our AI technology speeds up the process but also give you the option to make own decisions regarding teeth templates, mockup format, motivational or ideal design, 3D design with ortho simulation, and much more. Your 3D mockup is ready to be printed. With the newest SmileFy technology, you can offer your patient a mockup at the first appointment in few minutes.